Welcome back, everybody. Now that we've used the cold plunge for a little time, we need to do some routine maintenance. We're going to start by unplugging the chiller first. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the latches and flip the tub lid upside down. And we're going to use it as a tray. We're going to unplug at this point the pump and grab the filtration system as a whole and put it directly on top of the tub. First thing we're going to do is open the air valve, releasing some air, and then we can go ahead and unscrew the canister. We can remove the cartridge, put in a new one, and then hand tighten the canister back down. Remember not to make it too tight. We don't want to strip the threads. Next, we can remove the strainer lid, take out the strainer, rinse it off, put it back in, and screw back on the canister lid. Hand tight as well. Once that's complete, we set the pump back in position and go ahead and plug it back in.